Hey guys, it's me Jishan Kharbanda. Welcome back to my channel. As you may all know, Apple has recently released iOS 14 publicly, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can install it and some tips that you want to know before you do so. If you've seen my previous videos, you would know that I've done previous iOS 14 videos and I've talked about hidden features, main features, and possibly why you shouldn't download it, and I'll link that playlist right here, so check that out. So do watch the entire video to figure out all the tips that you need to know before you install this iOS 14. And now let's get right into the video. Now the first thing that we obviously want to know is which devices are compatible. So this is really easy this year. Basically, any devices that were able to run iOS 13 last year will be able to run iOS 14 this year. But for a full list of iOS devices that are compatible, just look right over here. Okay guys, so the next tip that you want to know is that you should have a recent iCloud backup of all your data, and to make sure that you have that, all you have to do is go to the settings app and then click on your name and then go to where it says iCloud and then scroll down to where it says iCloud backup and make sure to click on backup now if you haven't have a recent backup. But since I already have a recent backup on my other iOS device, I don't have to do it here. Okay, the next tip that you want to know is that you should have ample amount of space before you update to iOS 14, and to make sure you have that, all you have to do is go back and scroll all the way down to general, then click on iPhone storage and make sure to know that you have at least 5 GB of space. The update typically takes around 2 to 4 GB, but having a 1 GB of buffer space is good. And then, so now we are ready, right? And the final tip that you want to make sure is that your iOS device is connected to Wi-Fi and has at least 40% of battery. As you can see, I have about 42%. Now with all those tips out of the way, let's get right into downloading iOS 14. So what we're going to do is go back to the home page of the settings and then go to general and then click on software update. As you can see, iOS 14, it's about 2.78 GB, and this will vary from 2 to 4 GB depending on your iOS device, as I stated earlier. So what you have to do now is click on download and install and then enter your passcode. And now once you have entered your passcode, you'll be shown the terms and conditions, and if you're interested in reading all of it later, you can just send it to email. But since I've already read them, I'll just gonna click on agree and click agree again, and it'll say update requested. It'll be contacting the server. And as you can see, now we're downloading the iOS 14 update. Time period will fluctuate depending on your Wi-Fi and your iOS. If you're the type of person that likes to read the description of things, you can check out the iOS 14 description where they talk about all the main features of it. But I have also made a video talking about the main features and the hidden features of it, and I strongly recommend that you check that out, and I'll just link it right here and I'll put in the description below, so make sure to go check that out. Alright guys, as you can see here, the update has downloaded to my iOS device successfully, and all I have to do now is click on install, and it'll install it and we'll have iOS 14 running. But quick note, just saying that your iOS device might get heated up a little. This is normal, so don't panic and don't freak out. And so now we're just gonna click on install now, and it'll say verifying update.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, I've downloaded and installed the iOS 14. Now I'm just gonna do the setup, swipe up, and I'm gonna enter my password real quick. And now, as you can see, it says we have updated the iOS 14. Click on continue. And we can set up all this later. I don't want to share analytics with Apple. And welcome to iPhone. And boom, I can already see some updates. Look at the calendar, see something different, some redesigned apps. But if you want to know main features and hidden features, remember, check out the video right here, which will be in the description also. And now, before adding app library, before adding widgets, is make sure to flex to everyone that we have iOS 14. And the way we do that is go to our settings and then go to wallpaper and then choose a new wallpaper, and then we have to choose the iOS 14 wallpaper since this is only for iOS 14 people. Boom, this makes you different from everyone else. And that's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Ring that notification bell so you'll be the first one to know all the tips, tutorial hacks, and much more. See you guys soon. And check out my previous videos which are linked on screen. Let's talk about all the iOS 14 tips, tutorial hacks, and much more. You can either check out this one right here or this one right here.